Hey y'all, Coco Whit here, and it's getting cold outside, which means one thing: comfort food. All I want to do is cuddle up on the couch with a bowl of something super cozy and a blanket. I don't want the cold that everybody else seems to have right now. Unfortunately, comfort food and immune supportive don't typically go hand in hand, but I'm here to tell you that's not true, because my favorite comfort food is actually a powerhouse of anti-inflammatory spices. So grab your spice belt, because we're about to make some comfort food curry.